So we want to fix this solution. This is Samsung A260. That's A2 core. As you can see. So this is battery temperature. This is battery temperature. This is charging error. You understand? So this means, can you see the temperature sign? So this temperature. This is the charging error. So it's not charging like this. You can see. It's not charging, and it's not the charging port. It's just the charging IC problem. So it powers on by itself. So that's the fault. That's the major fault, and it should start. So let's see how it's. We're going to fix it now. So this is the battery connector. This is the battery connector. Then let's check the continuity, if it's going to work. Let your this thing be on this part, and let's see what it's going to give us. Can you see it's not stable? Can you see it's not stable? So let's see. So it's not stable. So let's see what we do to it. The major problem is this particular IC here, this one. So you can get that anywhere around here. It has two legs like this. You can see this particular question. So what you just do is just if this is the problem, you have to change this. But there's a charging IC here about 1 2 3 4 times about 9 legs. Understand? So you have to remove this one. The way you remove it, you now have to bridge the third one. Like let's see how it is. This is that one aside. Then this part, there are some IC here. You can see this particular one and this particular one. So what you just have to do is just to remove this thing. Once you remove it, you can see it's been removed. Once you remove this thing, then let's test it now. What do you need now? What do you need now?
I wanted to fix Spark 2. That's not Spark 2.
What's the problem?
Screen. I don't know what to do.
So we want to test it now.
Yeah?
Spark 2. I'm coming, please. That's Techno. So let's see. Yes, it's charging now. So it's charging because of that particular IC. That means that particular IC is damaged. I think it's the phone fell inside water or something like that. So it's charging now. There's nothing like battery temperature or whatever it is. So thank you very much.